Greetings and a warm welcome to Digit. I am Yatnesh Dubey and I will talk about some of the best features of the 24-inch LG MR400 IPS FHD 100Hz monitor. This is an affordable monitor that offers several exciting features. This monitor's Full HD IPS display with 178-degree wide viewing angles and 99% sRGB coverage makes it an appealing choice for office and work environments. The wide viewing angles ensure that images and text remain clear and vibrant even when viewed from the side, making it perfect for collaborative work and shared workspaces. sRGB is the most commonly used color space and its high coverage should help with accurate color representation for color critical tasks. For those who spend hours in front of their monitors, LG has added a couple of really useful features. Reader mode creates a more comfortable reading experience by adjusting brightness and switching to warmer tones to reduce blue light emissions. The display is also flicker safe, ensuring that people sensitive to flicker don't have to worry about eye strains, dryness or irritation. Flicker safe reduces invisible flickering on the screen and it helps to provide a comfortable working environment for a long time. The fast 100Hz refresh rate offers an advantage for both regular work and gaming. It ensures smoother motion and reduces motion blur, providing a more fluid and responsive gaming experience. When combined with AMD FreeSync technology, screen tearing and stuttering are further minimized by synchronizing the monitor's refresh rate with the graphics card's output. Black stabilizer enhances visibility in darker scenes, which is crucial for spotting enemies lurking in the dark. And dynamic action sync further reduces input lag, allowing for quicker reaction times in fast-paced games. Navigating through OSD menus and sub-menus to fine-tune settings such as brightness, contrast and colors can be cumbersome. However, on-screen control software simplifies the process and allows you to tweak these settings directly from your connected PC. It allows you to customize and save display profiles. It also includes a screen split feature that offers predefined layouts for managing open windows. Designed with user comfort in mind, this monitor features narrow bezels on three sides for a more immersive viewing experience. The ergonomic design includes a convenient tilt adjustment to ensure optimal viewing angles, enhancing your workspace comfort. Connectivity options such as HDMI, VGA and a headphone output provides versatile compatibility with various devices. In summary, the 24-inch LG MR IPS FHD monitor packs a punch for its value price. We hope this overview helped you in making an informed decision and we wish you a pleasant shopping experience.